Hello from Africell Tips and Tricks team. Network issue on mobile device can be frustrating, but there are various tips and tricks and solutions. Let's explore them in this episode. Once you have network issue, always start by the basic steps like restarting your phone and switching the airplane mode on and off. If the issue is not resolved, check your signal strength. For Wi-Fi problems, try to reconnect by entering the password again. Restart your router and update the firmware of the router. For mobile data issue, try to check if you reach your data limit. If the problem persists, turn off the mobile data and turn it back on. Another solution is to switch between 2G, 3G, and 4G network. Resetting network settings can resolve many issues, as well as running your device in safe mode. Always keep your device software up to date for bug fixes and improvement. By following these tips and tricks, you can effectively troubleshoot and resolve network issues on your mobile device. Catch you in the next episode.